नमस्ते, मेरा नाम लिज़ा शाह, मैं धारवाड़ से हूँ। तो आज मैं आपको चिकन रोस्ट कैसे बनाना है मैं आपको बना के दिखाने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स वी रिक्वायर। बनाने के लिए आपको हाफ के जी चिकन बड़े बड़े पीस लेना है, 2 ऑनियंस फाइनली चॉप्ड, then 4 to 5 green chilies long slit, then 1 inch chopped ginger फाइनली चॉप्ड। एंड इसमें हम गार्लिक नहीं यूज़ करने वाले हैं, इसमें ओनली जिंजर वी आर यूजिंग। सो इट इज़ एज पर योर चॉइस, आपको कितना भी उसका क्वांटिटी बढ़ाना है तो बढ़ा सकते हैं, नहीं तो 1 इंच इज इनफ। देन यू नीड करी लीव्स, फ्रेश कोकोनट 2 टेबल स्पून, उसको भी थोड़ा थिन स्लाइस्ड कट करना है। मसाला बनाने के लिए आपको कश्मीरी चिली, ड्राई चिली को आपको पानी में भिगो के रखना है। एक 1 आवर हॉट वाटर में भिगो के रखने के बाद उसका पेस्ट बनाना है। यू रिक्वायर 10 to 12 रेड चिलीज, ड्राई रेड चिलीज। सो द नेक्स्ट मसाला आपको गरम मसाला डालना है। उसके लिए आपको कार्डमम, लौंग, सिनेमन स्टिक एंड पेपर 1 टीस्पून। ये होल गरम मसालों को आपको पाउडर करना है। देन यू रिक्वायर टर्मरिक पाउडर हाफ टी स्पून एंड 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. I am adding vinegar to that, so you require 1.5 tablespoon of vinegar. But if you like tomato, then you can add tomato also, 2 tomato finely chopped, but it's optional. So either you can use vinegar or tomato. This is a cooking vinegar. I am using coconut oil for this. If you don't like the coconut oil taste, you can use refined oil also. So let's start cooking. First, in a kadai you have to put some oil. Your 2 to 3 tablespoon is enough. So I am adding coconut oil. So I kept in kadai. There was little water, so let the water go. Now you can add coconut oil to it. Oil garam ho gaya hai. So now first you have to add coconut pieces. I am adding the coconut pieces. इसको बहुत फ्राई नहीं करना है, just 2 to 3 minutes you just have to saute it. Now you have to add the onions, 2 finely chopped onions. उसके साथ ही ग्रीन चिली, फाइनली चॉप्ड जिंजर एंड करी लीव्स, ये तीनों भी अभी आपको ऐड करना है। सो आई हैव ऑर्डर, फर्स्ट आई एडेड ऑयल, उसके बाद मैंने कोकोनट पीसेस ऐड किया, उसके बाद मैंने आई एडेड ऑनियन दैट इज़ 2 फाइनली चॉप्ड, देन 3 to 4 लॉन्ग स्लिट green chilies, then 1 inch finely chopped ginger, then curry leaves. Now you have to saute nicely till it become a light brown in color. So अभी onions को थोड़ा brown होने दो. By the time we can grind the garam masalas. So you require half inch cinnamon stick, 4 cardamom, then again 4 to 5 cloves, long, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. This we have to powder it nicely. So this is the quantity I am telling for half kg chicken. I have to roughly grind this garam masala. After that I am going to paste the red chilies now. Now let's add the garam masala to it. These onions have become light pink, so during this time you have to add the garam masala. अब मैंने ये रेड चिली पेस्ट को भी ऐड किया है मैंने. Now just saute it till the raw smell of the red chili goes. Now after adding the red chili, you have to add the turmeric powder half teaspoon and 3 teaspoon of coriander powder to it. Nicely saute. अब ये रेड चिली का रॉ स्मेल तक गया है. At this stage you can add tomato. It's optional, but I am adding vinegar 1.5 tablespoon. Now we can add the chicken pieces. At this stage I added half cup of water. Then please add the salt also. Now you have to mix it nicely and close it with a lid. Since the chicken is already does have water, you don't have to add more water. Just quarter cup to half cup of water is enough. So the chicken has been covered with the masala. Now I am going to close the lid and let the chicken cook. I have closed it. So it will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes. Don't keep the stove in high flame. Keep it in low to medium flame. Now let it cook. So the chicken is being cooked. By the time we'll make some ghee rice for this chicken. So it's being cooked. The water should not be there. ड्राई होके रोस्ट होना चाहिए. So let it cook. By that time let's make ghee rice. Basmati rice 1 cup. It should be washed, soaked and drained in water. Ghee, whole garam masala, cardamom, cinnamon stick and cloves. Few cashew nuts, green chilli 3 to 4 chopped. Then finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste or crushed ginger garlic. Then 1 big onion. It should be long sliced. Let's see how ghee rice is made. So I'm going to make it in a pressure cooker. So please keep the pressure cooker and put some ghee according to your taste. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of ghee. घी मेल्ट हो चुका है, तो अभी हम कैश्यू नट्स ऐड करेंगे. उसके साथ ही होल गरम मसाला, You have to cook the chicken without water. I mean, till the water goes, you have to cook. It should be finely roasted. So you have to wait for that patiently. Now you will add the chopped onions. Green chili. Now for this ghee rice, the onion should be brown. So you have to fry till it becomes brown. So our chicken is also being cooked on the other side. As you can see, the onions have become brown in color. At this stage, we have to add the crushed ginger garlic, 1 tablespoon. Now you can add the coriander leaves also. Now add the rice, 1 cup rice. Now nicely mix the rice in this ghee mix. I have taken 1 cup basmati rice. So for that I am going to add 1.5 cup water. I had taken rice in this cup, so I am adding 1.5 cup water into this in the same glass. Now you can add salt. After adding salt, I forgot to tell you in the beginning, you have to add lemon juice, 1 tablespoon. Just mix it and close the lid, and it will be cooked in 1 whistle. You have to switch off the gas in 1 whistle. Let's see what happened to the chicken. So the water has gone and it is nicely cooked. So let's switch off the gas and we'll take it in a serving bowl with the rice. So the roasted chicken is ready and the ghee rice is also ready. I have just plated it like this. Please everyone, try this dish. Roast with ghee rice. Please everyone, please try the dish and like my dish. Thank you Febina for this wonderful opportunity to show my cooking skills. Thank you.